Gold awaits key data points. We have Jim Wyckoff up next. Jim Wyckoff joins me this Tuesday. Jim, thanks for being with us.
Hello, Daniela. Always nice to be with you.
Jim, we're speaking ahead of some key data that's coming out. It also seems that gold is waiting to react to these fundamentals. We have the FOMC meeting concluding on Wednesday. We have ECB and BOE meetings on Thursday. We also have jobs numbers in the U.S. coming out on Friday. But what can you tell us on the metals, about the metals this Tuesday?
Indeed, Daniela, a very busy week upcoming as far as data points. The only thing I can say is I'm not sure which data point will be the most, market moving, but I can almost guarantee you that the markets are going to move significantly by the end of this week. The FOMC meeting results on Wednesday afternoon are going to be very closely scrutinized by the marketplace. We've got Friday's U.S. jobs report that will also be important. We've got China manufacturing data on Thursday, along with the ECB and Bank of England central bank meetings. And then on Wednesday, to throw in a little extra, we've got the U.S. GDP report. All those are very important and are going to serve some fresh fodder for the marketplace to digest.
And Jim, when you say there could be a significant move, we don't know which way that move could be.
We don't know which way that could be, and we also really don't know which markets are going to move. Certainly the gold and silver markets are going to react to movements in the U.S. dollar index. Then the U.S. dollar index could react to moves by the stock market. So markets are interrelated, and we're going to get a real good example of that later this week.
Jim, is there one key event that you will be paying a little bit more attention to than the others?
I suspect the FOMC minutes, although there is talk in the marketplace that the September FOMC meeting is going to be much more important than the one we have this week, simply because it's the sense of the marketplace that the Fed in that September timeframe will start, or it will at least announce that it's going to start tapering its bond buying program, also known as quantitative easing.
Jim, on that note, what rating will you be giving gold and silver this week?
Daniela, I'm giving both gold and silver a rating of 3. That's still significantly in the bearish camp, although an improvement from previous weeks. For December COMEX gold, we've got solid overhead resistance at the 1350 area, solid chart support at 1300. So Daniela, for September COMEX silver, we've got solid resistance at 2059.5. That's the July high. Solid chart support at 1921.5, the recent low.
Jim, and silver is in a gentle 4-week-old uptrend, but the bulls really need to come through for this metal.
They really do. It's an important near-term time frame for the silver traders, because the uptrend on the daily chart is on the verge of being negated, and if it is, it's going to give the bears some fresh downside technical momentum.
Jim, on that note, thanks for your time today.
Can't wait till next time, Daniela. Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching this edition of Technically Speaking. Email us at newsfeedback@kitco.com or follow us on Twitter @Daniela Cambone. Thanks for watching.